Welcome to the Money Goal Workshop. Hey, buddies. You've learned how money grows. Now it's time to make it work for your dreams.
I'm ready! I want everything! Great! A rocket, a car, and a robot dog!
Slow down, FOMO Ellen. First, let's learn how to set smart goals. A money goal is something you want to save for, Kaf. Maybe a toy, a new bike, or a trip. Some goals are small and quick to reach. Others take time and patience.
My goal is to buy a flying donut. Is that short-term or long-term?
Let's say you want a toy that costs 30 coins. If you save 5 coins a week, you'll reach it in 6 weeks.
Okay, I'll save 100 coins in 1 day.
Remember, Fat Chloe, saving takes time and consistency.
Here's a fun challenge, Mom. Each week, choose how many coins to save.
If you save regularly, you'll reach your goal faster.
Ow, man! My jar's empty!
That's okay. Wait, you can always start again. It feels great to see your savings grow. You can even draw your own progress chart at home.
Mine says 1 coin saved and 12 candies spent.
That's progress, Vol, if you stop eating your savings.
Patience makes your dreams possible.
Traders, savers, and investors all use goals to stay focused.
I did it! I saved for my mini rocket!
See? Small steps lead to big wins. Time for summary.
What's a money goal? Something you want to save for.
How do you reach your goal?
Save a little, regularly.
What's the secret ingredient?
Patience!
Saving coins is one thing.
But what happens when you trade different kinds of money from around the world? Wait. People trade currencies like game tokens?
Exactly! Next time, we'll play the Forex game and learn how currency trading works. Setting goals helps you turn dreams into reality. Start small, stay steady, and watch your savings grow.
And don't jam rockets in your jar!
Be smart, save smart, and keep learning with us.